What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would change out your headlights on a 2014 Toyota Avalon. It's pretty simple to do. I'm working on the passenger side right now, and if you could look right here, right here's your windshield wiper reserve where you fill it up at. You look right beside it right here. This is your headlight right here. The first thing you should do is go ahead and unplug your power harness to it, because it's kind of a short line and you may not be able to get the headlight out if you try to do it at the same time. So I'm doing it just pulling back. I'll show you in a minute. Like that. See how I did it? All I did was I pulled back on these two pieces right here and pulled the power off of it. So pull back on that, pull the power off. Once you got that off, now on the passenger side you can reach in, grab the back of your headlight and just turn up. And once you do that, your headlight will come out just like that. You also want to make sure that you don't touch on your headlight bulb itself, or you don't want to get grease on it, which can cause the life of your bulb to be a lot shorter than what it normally would be. And once you got your new bulb, first thing you want to do is go ahead and put your new bulb back into your opening. It makes it much easier just to stick it back in. And once you got it in, turn it down. You'll hear like a little snap sound down. And that'll tell you, hold on. Yeah, like that. Tell you back. Then take your power harness, which is what I got in my hand right here, this orange piece, and plug it back in. You want these little flaps like that to basically face out away from the front, away to toward the back of the car like that. Just go into the back of your headlight and just stick it in there. And then plug it up just like that, and pretty much you'll be good to go. Alright folks, once again it's how you would change out your headlights on the 2014 Toyota Avalon. It's probably the same from about the 2013 to the 2018. Please check out our other helpful videos. Please like and please subscribe. Thanks.